In this aid, we will voice our really own and market's viewpoint on XCH future while examining the chia organization cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to generally think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything sort of is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like chia organization. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the chia organization value expectation and answer questions in the event that XCH is a wise venture or not, for what reason will XCH succeed or really come up short, or for what reason will chia organization value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what XCH is and its to-date history. XCH value expectation for the following 90 days, which is very huge. The entire crypto world generally is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin generally has drooped half from its unequaled by and large high in the midst of a more extensive market in every way that really matters, drops affected by seething expansion and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers explicitly are selling hazardous resources and moving into basically more steady business sectors, which is very critical. Crypto, in a real sense, is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and subsequently the auction, which is very critical. Our algo still sees a sum especially green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This explicitly is for the most part reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and truly alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We really have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model most certainly is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an unpretentious manner. We by and large expect whales and really other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike, which is genuinely huge. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we especially assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few by and large other especially exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. October 1, 2022, which is genuinely huge. Plus 0.17% $33.15. October 2, 2022, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Minus 1.28% $32.67. October 3, 2022. Plus 6.52% $35.25. October 4, 2022. Plus 3.42% $34.23 amazingly. October 5, 2022. Plus 2.31% $33.86 amazingly. October 6, 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. Minus 4.54% $31.59. October 7, 2022, which truly is genuinely huge. Minus 1.74% $32.52. October 8, 2022. Minus 4.17% $31.72. October 9, 2022. Plus 2.66% $33.98, or so they thought. Chia Organization Value Expectation 2022, which basically is genuinely critical. Most of specialists especially concur that this bear market will endure basically for the main quarter of 2022 preceding we in a real sense see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 13.47% $28.64. 2022 November amazingly. Minus 25.22% $24.75. 2022 December, which is genuinely huge. minus 25.12%, $24.78, 2023 January minus 21.09%, $26.12, 2023 February minus 9.73%, $29.87, 2023 blemish minus 7.08%, $30.75, 2023 April, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Minus 3.00%, $32.10, 2023 May. Plus 0.66%, $33.31, 2023 June. Plus 3.47%, $34.24, 2023 July. Plus 8.98%, $36.07, 2023 August. Plus 21.58%, $40.24, 2023 September. Plus 24.80%, $41.30, XCH value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees XCH coming to $66.85 in 2025. What will XCH be worth in 5 years? The cost of XCH in 5 years could really lie around $63.19, which is genuinely huge. Chia coin value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Chia organization will generally be worth in 2030? Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Our determining model sees Chia organization coming to $167.13 in 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. What Chia organization will be somewhat worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Chia organization coming to $334.27 in 2040. Will Chia organization supplant, especially outperform, basically overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Chia organization won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Chia organization at any point reach $1,000 in an unpretentious manner? Indeed, it is by and large conceivable that Chia organization can especially reach $1,000, however, just in a separated future, after 2030. Is Chia organization truly worth purchasing? We are backers of modestly dangerous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of essentially enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, Chia organization merits purchasing, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Chia organization a wise speculation? Chia organization is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous speculation, which is very huge. It really does truly have higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the especially great use case, very much planned token.